Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best oval baking dishes is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of bakeware you can have in your kitchen, perfect for everything from savory casseroles and roasted vegetables to sweet gratins and fruit crumbles, making it an indispensable tool for both everyday meals and special occasion entertaining, ensuring your dishes come out beautifully cooked and presented every time. Number 5. LEETOyi Ovalo Gratin Pan Set. Discover the perfect bakeware for your kitchen. This elegant set brings both style and functionality to your cooking. They are designed for convenience and durability. These pans feature an ideal oval shape, perfect for individual or small group servings. They measure 8.7 L x 5.3 W x 1.8 H, making them just right for 1 or 2 people. Crafted from high-quality ceramic, their surface is smooth and bright. This makes them incredibly easy to clean after every use, ensuring a pristine look. These versatile dishes can go straight from the freezer to the oven or microwave. Cleaning up is also a breeze as they are dishwasher safe, simplifying your kitchen routine. Looking for a thoughtful housewarming gift? This classic porcelain bakeware is not only great for family use but also perfect for cafes, restaurants, and parties. What we like? This set is perfect for individual portions or small side dishes. Its smooth ceramic surface makes cleanup incredibly easy after use. If you're cooking for 1 or 2 and value hassle-free maintenance, this is a great choice for your kitchen. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the no fabrication rule. Number 4. Home Beets Oval Ceramic Baking Dishes, 4PC, Set. These ceramic personal baking dish pans are ideal for all your favorite foods. You can use them for au gratin potatoes, casseroles, brie cheese appetizers, pasta, lasagna, and even desserts like banana splits or cobblers. Crafted with high-quality ceramic, they are both oven and microwave safe. They are also chip and flake resistant, dishwasher safe, and come in a versatile white finish to complement any kitchen decor. Offering a better cooking and baking experience than cast iron pans, this set is non-stick. This feature makes it easier to cook and remove food, ensuring better taste and overall food quality when you're finished. These oblong mini casserole dishes feature small handles to make them easier to grab. This design allows you to safely carry them for serving guests, making them great for individual portions like baked mac and cheese. Everyone can use reusable cooking and baking pans in their kitchen. This makes them perfect as holiday, Christmas, or even housewarming gifts to friends, family, or new neighbors. What we like? This versatile set is ideal for a wide range of dishes, from casseroles to desserts. Its non-stick ceramic ensures food releases easily for better taste and presentation. If you're looking for a multi-purpose bakeware set with practical handles for serving, this one is a fantastic option. What people say. Number 3. KooK Oval Dutch Oven for Sourdough Baking. This versatile oval Dutch oven simplifies your baking process. It's perfectly designed to proof, score, and bake your sourdough loaf all in one pot. Enjoy fresh, crusty bread with zero hassle, and a recipe book is included to guide you. Crafted from durable cast iron, it ensures heat spreads evenly for consistent cooking every time. Its thick walls keep your food warm from oven to table, and the smooth enameled surface makes cleanup a breeze. A lid lever is also included for safe handling. This trusty 3.4-quart oven is built from durable enameled cast iron, withstanding high temperatures up to 500 F and heavy use for generations. Beyond bread, it's ideal for roasting whole chickens, braising longer cuts of meat, and fitting a full rack of ribs. Plus, it's dishwasher safe and works on all cooktops. Its tight-fitting lid allows steam to circulate while cooking. This continuously bastes the ingredients, locking in moisture and flavor for the most tender and delicious dishes. Experience enhanced taste with every meal. We've carefully packaged this oven with polyfoam to ensure it arrives in perfect condition. A helpful how-to guide is also included to get you started on your culinary journey. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like? This specialized Dutch oven is a dream for bread bakers, perfectly cradling sourdough loaves. Its enameled cast iron construction ensures exceptional, even heat for a perfect crust. If you're serious about baking artisan bread and want consistent results, you should consider this pot. What people say. The oval shape is ideal for roasting whole chickens or creating elegant layered casseroles. Its durable material ensures even heat distribution for consistent baking results. Number 2. STAUB Ceramic Oval Baking Dish Set. Experience the luxurious glass porcelain finish. It adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchenware. This beautiful finish isn't just for looks, it's also highly scratch resistant. You can trust it to maintain its pristine appearance over time. Enjoy ultimate versatility with this set. It's safe for the microwave, freezer, broiler, and oven up to 572 degrees Fahrenheit. Designed for convenience, it transitions beautifully from your oven directly to the table. Serve your culinary creations with style and ease. Cleaning up is a breeze. This set is completely dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort after your meals. Designed with precision by STAUB in France, it embodies European culinary excellence. Though manufactured in China, its quality is assured by its renowned heritage. What we like. This set boasts a beautiful and durable glass porcelain finish that resists scratches. It transitions seamlessly from oven to table, making your presentation effortlessly elegant. If you appreciate premium serveware that is both highly functional and visually stunning, you'll love these dishes. What people say. Number 1. Ceramic Oval Gratin Baking Dishes. Discover the ideal solution for individual portions. These versatile dishes are designed to make your cooking and serving experience effortless. Say goodbye to awkward oven removals. Its thoughtfully designed handles provide a secure grip, ensuring a clean and safe transfer from oven to table. Made from high-quality ceramic, these dishes are fired at extreme temperatures, ensuring durability and safety. They won't absorb flavors or odors, keeping your food pure. Enjoy ultimate convenience with these dishes. They are safe for use in the oven up to 5000 F, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher, making meal prep and cleanup a breeze. With a smooth glaze and classic white design, it adds a touch of elegance to any setting. Plus, its stackable nature helps save valuable cabinet space. Looking for a thoughtful present? This set makes an excellent gift for housewarmings, anniversaries, or holidays. It's also perfect for home use, cafes, and restaurants. What we like. These dishes feature uniquely designed, easy grip handles that make removal from the oven simple and safe. Made from high-quality ceramic, they are also conveniently stackable to save cabinet space. If you prioritize comfortable handling and efficient storage in your kitchen, this set is an excellent option. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.